all are having a wonderful weekend. So, as you can see from the description down below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and I'm super excited. You guys, this is the Fruit for Thought subscription right here. And first, I want to say thank you so much. This was very kindly sent to me, so Fruit for Thought, thank you so very much. I do appreciate it. And you guys, I cannot wait to get in here and see what this month is about. Y'all, I have seen some unboxings of this subscription and it is absolutely amazing. So again, I am so honored. Thank you again for sending this to me to review. And since it is new to our channel, I am going to tell you a little bit about it. I have some notes here so I can give you all the information. So there are two plans for this subscription. You can get the mini with 4 to 5 items, and you can get that as low as $24.99 a month. And then you can get the full size, which is what was sent to me, with 5 to 8 items for as low as $42.99 a month. Now, you do pay shipping unless you go ahead and prepay for 6 months or longer. So if you prepay for 6 or 12 months, you will not have to pay shipping. And then obviously that's what's going to lower your price per month. So I will put a link below if you would like to check them out. And they have a new fruit theme each month. And you will get items like jewelry, accessories, home decor, stationery. It says luxurious bath and body products, yummy snacks, and more. So I think it sounds amazing. I've seen other unboxings and they look fantastic. So I can't wait to get in here and see. Like I said, I will put a link down below. All of that will be down below, pricing and everything. So if you like what you see, head over, check them out. I do know that right now, this weekend through the 21st, which is Sunday, that there is a 20% off sale going on. So that you may want to take advantage of if you like what you see. And I do believe that I saw a little spoiler on their site that the theme for August, which they are now taking orders for August, is peaches and cream. Y'all say what? Peaches and cream? All right, so let's get in here and see what we got for July 2019. I just went ahead and kind of cut it. So first of all, this is beyond cute. When you open it, you have your Fruit for Thought sticker here. Fruit, scented, flavored, and colored gifts. But you guys, look at this ribbon. Like, this is actually ribbon with all these different fruits. How adorable. So, like, I don't even want to have to tear this to open it. This ribbon is just so cute. But okay, there we go. All right, so we have a card right here, and let me read this. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. So Pam, the curator, owner of this subscription, this is a thank you card to me for reviewing. Thank you, Pam, for sending me the box. I greatly appreciate it. And I have a code for you guys. Awesome. So you can use the code SOUTH20 for 20% off any new full-size subscription. So, yay! That is so awesome. Thank you so much for the promo code. We appreciate it. I love when companies give me promo codes to give you guys. So Pam, thank you so, so much. Again, I will put that down below as well with the link. So South20 will get you 20% off any full-size subscription. And then we have another card, and it says the July theme is tropical fruit. And it does say on here, August theme, peaches and cream. Awesome. And then it will tell us here all of the items that are in the box. I do love that. So let's, what is this? This is just something extra, a pina colada dip. What? So it's a recipe for a pina colada dip. Oh my gosh, y'all, I bet that is like, oh, so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, just looking at it. Oh, that just looks amazing. Okay. Now, to the actual box. Look, you guys, it already I see a flamingo, I see watermelon, I see pineapple. It screams tropical. So, let's dive in and see. So, let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, y'all know I have said in many videos that pineapples are one of my favorite things. I think they're cute. I think they taste great. All kinds of stuff. These are pineapple Band-Aids, y'all. And they have this like feel. It says touch and feel. This is the actual size of the bandage. Y'all, how cute is that? This is from DonnaMax.com. Fun pineapple bandages are a fun way to cover up your boo-boos. Oh, I love this. Like, is it weird that I almost want to have like some kind of little boo-boo to cover? Because these are adorable. Oh my goodness. I am loving this. Okay, so cute. Then this is cute. Oh, this is super cute. This is from Weave Tassie. It's a handmade bracelet, from the Philippines. The tropical colors will look great with your summer outfits. And you can see they put the watermelon there because the colors. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. And it looks, I'm thinking like leather. And I like that it's one of the bracelets that you can put on and adjust yourself. You don't have to actually clasp it. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. All right, and then what do we have here? Yes. Okay. This is from taffytown.com. Delicious tropical fruit flavored gourmet saltwater taffy. And y'all, it is like a big old bag. It's like a 1 pound bag. It's 16 ounces. And we've got mango, passion fruit, banana, coconut, pineapple, tropical punch. Oh, I love saltwater taffy. And it is like, it reminds me of summertime. Like, I mean, I live on the coast. I live like 10 minutes from the beach. So, I mean, we can get saltwater taffy year round. But it just has this like nostalgic thing that if I, for some reason, have it like in the fall or in winter or something, it makes me think of summer. It just does. I love it. And then here, what is this? It is a super cute bag. It's got a flamingo, which I love. Let's open it. This is from I think it's Basic or Basic. I'm not exactly sure. Pina Colada Shea Butter Body Milk. Ooh. This says, keep your skin so soft with the www.sobasic incredible smelling Pina Colada Goat's Milk Body Milk. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all, here, please. Oh, we need smell-o-vision. That, oh my gosh, that just smells so good. This, oh, I didn't see this in there, y'all. This is a straw. How adorable. This isn't listed, so this must just be like a, oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love that so much. Y'all know how I like to use a straw when I drink my drinks. So, oh, that just smells so yummy. All right. And then we got, oh, okay, I saw these somewhere. These are from Busy Beauty, gigantic showerless body wipes. We have Kiwana Starfruit right here and Dandelion Dragon. So these, I believe, for those extra hot summer days, we've included 2 antibacterial tropical scented gigantic showerless body wipes by busybeauty.com. Yeah, so these are like if you get really sweaty or something and you get a little not so fresh, you can take one of these and you can wipe off. And, you know, if you don't have time to take a shower but you need to like not stink, you can do that. And I love that they're tropical scented and totally going with this theme. This is amazing. So we have 2 of those. And then we have one more product, it looks like, in here. Yep. And this is Bora Bora Bash. Right here. This looks like a perfume. Smell like the tropics with Bora Bora Bash fragrance, scented with passion fruit, jasmine, violet, or passion flower, jasmine, violet, and passion fruit. Inspired by Fiesta Caracoa by Escada. Huh. Y'all, this is like straight up like a full bottle of perfume. How cute. How cute is this? Like, this is so adorable. All right. Oh, y'all, that, oh my goodness. I don't know what, that just smells so good. It's not too strong, but it's there. Like, you know that it, you know this, that smell is there, and it is just so amazing. That's not a scent I would typically go towards. I typically like the vanillas or the warmer, but this is definitely like a tropical mix, and it just smells absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. Like, that smells so good. Amazing. So that was our July 2019 Fruit for Thought. Absolutely amazing. I think it knocked it out of the park. We got a full size bottle of perfume, the 2 gigantic showerless wipes, the Weave Tassel or Weave Tassie handmade bracelet, the amazing smelling pina colada, the goat milk body milk. We got this huge bag of saltwater taffy, the pineapple band-aids, which, like I said, I kind of almost want to have a boo-boo to use one. And this adorable straw was in there. That is so cute. So I absolutely loved this, you guys. I thought this was a great mix and a great way to do tropical fruit, and how appropriate for July. Oh my goodness. Peaches and cream though, y'all. My mind is like, oh. So, oh, and we got the recipe for that pina colada dip, y'all. I will put a link down below. Go check it out. Go sign up, especially with, they have the sale going on right now, but she so kindly did give us a promo code of our own to use. South20 will get you 20% off, so you cannot beat that. Definitely check them out, y'all. This is amazing. I love this. So I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.